A new club opens in a big city, quickly becoming famous for its vibrant atmosphere. Neighbors complain about the all-night noise, but authorities ignore them. A protest outside the club turns violent, and a Molotov cocktail sparks a devastating fire, killing hundreds inside. The next day, an unexplainable noise begins to echo throughout the area, growing louder each night. Residents experience strange symptoms, from paranoia to insanity. Rumors spread that the noise is the revenge of the victim's restless spirits. The once busy neighborhood becomes desolate, consumed by fear and madness.